Hey mathematicians. Alright, so here we have level 2, DIY 2. So if you're looking for level 2, DIY 2, you are in the right place, my friend. Now, if you haven't already, you need to go get your DIY 2 from the level 2 box. Okay? So if you don't have this already, go ahead and press pause. Go to your level 2 box and find the DIY 2. Alright, so hopefully you have this paper with you, and then the only other thing that you need is a pencil. Alright friends, so in this activity, you are going to be writing a number in standard form. Okay? You have to figure out what number is being shown in model form, and then I recommend that you write it in the box, and then at the end, once you've written all the numbers, then go back, cut out the numbers, and glue them with their matching picture. Okay? You don't have to do it that way. That's just the way that works for me. You do what works for you. Okay, now I'm only going to model one of them for you. Okay? So we're going to do problem A together. So let's look at the tens in problem A. Here I see one group of 10. I'm going to write 1 in the tens place. Now let's look at the ones blocks. Here I see 1, 2, 3 ones. We're going to write 3 in the ones place. So 13 has 1, 10, and 3 ones. And then I know later, when it's time to cut and glue, I'll be gluing that 13 right there. So, you can try this strategy if you would like, where you write the number before you cut and glue. You do what works for you. Okay? Ultimately, you need to find the matching number for each picture or group of tens and ones. When you're finished, do whatever it is your teacher wants you to do when you're finished with the DIY. It might be different in Miss Brown's class, it might be different in Miss Hayes' class, it might be different in Miss Briscoe's class. So whatever it is that your teacher wants you to do when you finish a DIY, now's the time. Alright guys, can't wait to see what you have to show us.